let's clean the house. First, let's make the bed. Nice job! Drag the pillow onto the bed. Good job! Drag the teddy bears onto the bed. Whoa, nice job! Next, let's help Cowie vacuum the room. Nice job! Now we are going to clean the window. Drag the cleaning spray to the window. Super! Drag the cloth to the window to wipe off the foam. Good job! Let's get the room ready for the party. Nice job! Nice job! Well done! Drag the cake to its place. Nice job! What a great party! Mealtime fun with Elliot. First, let's set the table. Plate, fork, glass, knife.
Cool.
Choose food and drink for Elliot. Water. Pasta. Fruit salad.
Cool.
Uh-oh, looks like Elliot got a bit. Look at all these dirty dishes. Let's clean up. Clean the dish. Rinse. What a delicious meal!